Hey everybody, stay tuned. I'm doing an in-frame rebuild with my farm hand today. Part 1. Well, you could probably call it part 2. The only problem is part 1 wasn't videoed. Oops.
Know you've been a good friend, been there through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Well, the time has come for the 345 engine to have new life again. Now this engine again only had 38,000 original miles. The pistons on the one side melted, so they are a little bit scoured, but I don't think it's going to hurt compression. I'm calling this video the cleanup phase. Basically just sanding the surfaces and using this tool here. Glaze breaker, which Jeff Raymond did ask about. He'd never seen or heard of it before. And I'll give you a little quick demonstration here of how you use that.
Break the glaze, you spray it with a lube. You get it set inside there. Make sure this is about center, and it's just go a few times, and that's about all it takes to get the glaze broke. This one's just a hair scored, so not really the happiest about that, but
It is what it is. It's a farm truck. And that's an up close of the tool. Nothing special, it's put on there. I thought this drill had a dead battery.
I switched it.
Oh, but I thought the charger was broke.
No, there's actually one that's good.
Oh, alright. Well, anyway. Alright, so you can see the difference here. The surface is clean. The inside of the cylinder is not, but the brake cleaner did the trick. And it does look pretty good in there. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Where are you talking about? You're seeing the...
What, the scores?
Yeah, the scores. And they're not on the other side of the cylinder, it's just on this side.
Let me...
Gotta love brake cleaner. Works on everything but brakes. Okay. Yeah, you can see. I don't know, I'm sure I'll get feedback on, oh, you put that engine together, it'll never run right. I'm telling you, my brother had an engine, it never ran right. It's gonna run. You know, the worst case scenario, if I have to drop a new engine in it, then I will. But the reality is, or find a new block for it, I will. But the reality is it's getting thrown together. Not thrown together, put together properly. And it's going to run. And I'm going to make videos running grain with this sucker going down the road. Let's go to the other side. When in doubt, brake clean it out. Pressure washer and a can. So you can see this side here. I don't know, you think this side's any better?
It's a little rough.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna find out. I mean, and this engine only had 38,000 miles on it, so I'm thinking most of the damage that was done when that piston melted.
Well, there were 3 of them that were melted down.
Yeah, I mean,
Or 4.
yeah, this was running on 4 cylinders. It would run and then stop, then run and then stop. We should have done, we were out on I-90 at the time years ago, and what we should have did was just stopped when it stopped and had it towed instead of driving it another 50 miles. But anyways, I don't want to get off on a tangent. This engine is getting put back together. This is, I guess it's part 2, because I did talk about the pistons being pressed and one being broke during the press process. The one thing I'll say about this scouring is it's way more visual than it is feel. In fact, I can't feel anything when I reach in there. Actually, I can a little bit. Right there. Feel that?
Yeah, I'll sand that. I can get that out.
Well, that's... yeah, but, you know, how much of the one side of the cylinder do you sand off and then have it the other side? I mean, you know, there is a spec to all this. You know, you can't just turn a circle into an egg and call it even. I mean,
No, it's just sand the catch out of it.
yeah. Not trying to be a pessimist, just trying to state the facts here.
600 grit sandpaper, you're not going to oval those cylinders.
Well, no, but here's the thing. I mean, that's a feelable groove.
Yeah, well, I see the aluminum ridge.
But it goes from top to bottom. It doesn't run circular. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. So that's part 1. That's today. Tomorrow we'll be punching pistons and putting the camshaft in. I gotta run and get some Lucas and some regular motor oil. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for viewing. Oh, also, 40% of you guys out there that are watching my videos, and girls, guy is an inclusive term to me, gender inclusive, hit subscribe. Now thanks for viewing.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.